Okay everyone, let's see how we can make Snapchat account. This is very easy process. Just follow me step by step and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's get into today's video. First, open your Play Store and search for Snapchat. And if you haven't installed it, then install it or update it. After installing the app, you have to open the Snapchat app. Click on sign up. And here you will see this window and type your first name and last name here and click sign up and accept. And now here you should enter your birthday and click continue and continue, and then you have to set your password and click continue. After it, you will be asked your mobile number. Select your country code and put your mobile number here and click continue, and you will receive a code on your device or your mobile. Just put it here and click on submit. You can allow Snap to find your friends, but you can skip this too, so click here for skipping. And now it will ask to turn your camera on and give permissions of camera and storage. And that's all. Now you are logged into your account and your account is successfully created. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.